Good morning, fam. Today, we're starting with a gentle flow to wake up your body, ease into the day, and set a positive tone for everything ahead. Are you waking up feeling stiff, tight, or just need a little movement to jumpstart your energy? This routine is for you. Perfect for anyone looking to loosen up, connect to their breath, and feel ready to take on the world. No equipment is necessary. Just a mat or soft surface and a space where you feel comfortable. You can do this routine in your bedroom, living room, or even outside to soak in some fresh air. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll move through a series of stretches designed to open your hips, align your spine, and activate your core. I promise by the end of this flow, you'll feel lighter, refreshed, and ready to start your day on a strong note. We're starting with Child's Pose, a comforting and grounding position to bring focus to your breath and ease you back into the day. Begin on your knees. Bring your big toes to touch. Open your knees wide and sit your hips back toward your heels. Stretch your arms forward, letting your forehead gently rest on the mat. Breathe deeply, feeling your body soften with every exhale. This pose stretches your lower back and hips, grounding your body and calming your mind. I promise that with each breath, you'll feel tension melting away, setting the tone for the rest of your day. If your hips feel tight, place a cushion between your heels and your glutes. For additional support, rest your forehead on a yoga block or folded towel. Take one more deep breath here, and as you exhale, gently rise onto all fours to prepare for cat-cow. Let's awaken your spine with some gentle movement. Cat-cow is a warm hug for your back and a massage for your core. On all fours, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips, inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and look up toward the sky, cow. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and your pelvis under, cat. Move slowly and fluidly between these two poses. This stretch increases flexibility along your spine, improves circulation, and connects your breath to your movement. By the end of the stretch, I promise your back will feel looser and your body will feel more awake. If your wrists feel strained, make fists or place a towel under your hands. For sensitive knees, add a cushion or folded mat for extra padding. After your last cat-cow, come to a neutral spine and prepare to extend into bird dog. Now, let's work on balance and core stability with bird dog. This stretch activates your core and strengthens your back. From all fours, extend your right arm straight forward and your right leg straight back, creating a long line from fingertips to toes. Hold for a moment, then lower back to all fours and switch sides. Left arm forward, right leg back. Alternate for 30 seconds per side. This movement strengthens your core, improves balance, and engages the small stabilizing muscles in your back. I promise, by the end, your body will feel more aligned and steady. If balance is challenging, extend only one limb at a time, either the arm or the leg. Lower both hands and knees to the mat. Tuck your toes under and slowly rise to a standing position for our next stretch. Let's finish with the standing forward fold, a calming and restorative pose to stretch the entire back of your body. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward, reaching for your toes or as far as feels comfortable. Let your head hang heavy, relaxing your neck and shoulders. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings, releases tension in your lower back, and promotes relaxation. I promise you feel grounded and calm, ready to step into the day with ease. Bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings are tight. You can also rest your hands on your shins or thighs for support. Slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time, letting your head come up last. Take a deep breath to close out the routine. Beautiful work, fam. You've just spent 5 minutes waking up your body, stretching out tension, and setting the tone for a fantastic day ahead. And remember, just by showing up, you've already won the day. These small, consistent efforts create lasting change and set you up for success. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss another session, and invite your friends to join the journey, because everything is better when we do it together. Since it's the holiday season, I've come bearing gifts. Check your free gift in the description. It's packed with tools to help you level up your journey. Keep moving, stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.